There is a lot of interest on acetogenins from A. muricata, and lots of studies have been done by Badri and Shas in 2009, Mogdam Tsui and others in 2015, and Pinto and others in 2005. But besides that, there are other bioactive compounds also. So we will see in the remaining the videos what exactly is this knowledge about other bioactive compounds. But it is important to know about some fundamental aspects of this species. Now in English it is known as soursop, spelled as S-O-U-R, sour and sop, not soup, soursop. In Portuguese they call it graviola, Graviola. In Latin American Spanish they call it guanabana, Guanabana. And there are other local names given by indigenous people. In Benin, the plant is known as Eraticum do Grande, Condesa, Graviola, Jaca do Para, Jaca de Pobre, Fruta do Conde, Cameroon soursop. In Bolivia, it is known as Sainini. In Brazil, this species is known as Eraticum or Eraticum do Grande, Curaçao do Raina, Condensa, Graviola, Jaca do Para, Jaca de Pobre, Fruta de Conde, Cameroon and soursop. In Cameroon, Africa, it's known as soursop, Saba Saba, Ibom Betty. In Caribbean islands, it is known as graviola. Jamaica soursop, prickly custard apple and soursop. In Colombia, it is known as guanabana. In Cuba, it is known as guanabana. In Dominican Republic, it is known as guanabana. In Ecuador, it is known as guanabana. In Ghana, it is known as apri. In Guyana, it is known as kachiman, corosol, money apple, soursop, sorosaka, kaidi, zurzak, soinsaka, suresaka, soingsaka, sumsaka, crosolier. Haiti, it is known as guanabana and corosol. In India, it is known as mamfol and fofi. In Indonesia, it is known as sirsak, Nangka Belanda, Nangka Seberang, and Zurzak Ulanda. In Jamaica, it is known as Jamaica soursop. In Madagascar, it is known as corosol. In Malaysia, it is known as Durian Belanda, Durian Belanda, Durian Bengala, Durian Maki, Durian Makata, Sericaya Belanda. In Martinique Island, it is known as Cavasol. In Mauritius, it is known as Corosol. In Mexico, there is a lot of diversity of the names such as Tacole, Pobox, Ajipox, Cabeza de Negro, Cartuch, Chinchua, Guanabana, Guanabano, Polvox, Taco Caduitet, Junapil, Ilama di, Tehuantepec, Zapote di Viejas, Zapote Agrio, Annona, Zontichkia Neon. In Nicaragua, Central America, it is known as Guanabana, Pumo, Puntar, Waitia, Saput, Sarifa, Seremia, soursop. In Nigeria, it is known as soursop, graviola, pau pau, brasilina, abo, chop chop, sapi sapi. In Panama, it is known as guanabana. In Pacific, we have Philippines where it is known as babana, babana, guana, guayabano and guabana. In New Guinea, it is known as soursop and soursop and kahiloko. In Peru, South America, it is known as guanabano, guanabana, Kushma. In South Pacific countries, it is known as Durian Belanda, soursop, Seremaya, Saifa, Pile, Katara, Aratara. In Thailand, it is known as Turian Kak, Turian Thet, Turian Kaik. Trinidad and Tobago soursop. In Tojo, it is known as Angili Apele. In Uganda, it is known as Ekitafeli. In Vanuatu Islands, it is known as soursop, Karasol, Korosol, soursop. Venezuela, it is known as Katochi, Katuchi. West Africa, it is known as Dukume Poto, Niom, Pinya, Savasap, Alukuntum. In West Indies, it is known as apple leaf, Koso, soursop. And in South Vietnam, it is known as Mang Khao Siam. Most of these species, these countries, the traditional uses are also well documented and they are wide ranging, as people claim that they treat insomnia, catarrh, febrifuge, kidney disorders, snake bite, then arthritis pain, rheumatism, typhoid fever, chills, flu, indigestion, nervousness, then respiratory conditions, then plague, then it acts as sedative, cardiotonic, then various types of insecticidal, dermatitis. It is also used for spasm, anxiety, asthenia, asthma, heart affections, to treat parasite, lice, stomach pain, skin rashes, sedative, thoracic pain, dysentery, diabetes, gastric cancer, gastrointestinal disorders, ringworm, abdominal and back pain, menstrual hemorrhage, abortions, fever, vaginal infections, gastric disorder, prostate cancer, diabetes, dyspepsia, high blood pressure, stomach acidity, urination difficulty, cough, headache, diabetes, etc.